Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Call of Duty game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty game on your device, and once it is fully opened up, log into your account if you haven't done so already. After logging in, you will be taken into the main menu, from which, if you wish to change your profile picture, you can tap on your user ID at the top left corner. Once you tap on this, you will be taken into your account page. From your account page, just tap on Basic and you can see all of your profile details. Now from this page, in order to edit your profile picture, tap on your user ID at the right side, and now you can tap on the avatar option to change the display image. Now you have various different options that you can use as a display image for your profile. Just tap on whichever image you want to use and then tap on the show button. This will now be selected as your profile picture. You can also tap on avatar frame and use various different kinds of frames that are available for your profile. And as soon as you make your change, your profile picture will be modified on your game. You can come back to this menu at any time and tap on your banner to change your display picture. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture on the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.